Let's talk about the game of basketball, as it's a very exciting and a fast game. Now, in basketball, the ground measurements we will be beginning with. The length of the ground is 28 meters by 15 meters, that's the width. As here you can see in the red lines I made, the longer side is 28 meters and the shorter side, that's the width of the ground, is 15 meters. So, now let's talk about the middle line. The middle line divides the ground into two equal parts. That is, here you can see I made this in the color, right? It divides the ground into equal parts. That is 14 meters by 14 meters. Now talking about the radius in the middle of the ground. Okay, as I already spoke, that the ground is divided into two equal parts. That is 14 by 14. Now here in the middle you have a circle which you can see from this point, that is from here to here, the measurement is 3.6 meters, right? That makes a circle. Now the circle is basically for to start the game, that is jump ball. The referee throws the ball up and the players jump to start the game. Then you have, now the most important part of a basketball game is this full area, right? Yeah. Why? Very simple. As players try to enter this area to score the ball into the basket that is in this area. Let me do that again for you. Here, this is the ring, and in that the ball is thrown to score a basket. Now this outer layer, outer circle, semicircle, which you can see, okay, that is this one. That is a three-pointer. As here you can see, it's mentioned also here, three-pointer. Now a three-pointer is the measurement taken from the ring to the D, which you can see here. That's a semicircle. Okay, that's the distance. That's 6.75 meters. Okay, that's not a small distance. It's quite a big distance. 6.75 meters. Right. Now in this circle, semicircle rather, you have a box. As here you can see. Okay. Now this box is also measured, right, for purpose of players. Suppose there's a penalty shoot or something, which is somewhere here, which takes place, right? The opposite team players and the defending team, they stand on these striking points, as here. Suppose one player stands here of the opposite team, another player will stand here of the defending team. Opposite team, defending team, opposite team, like this, and the scoring player will stand here, and he gets two penalty shoots to score, right? So now the distance behind the ring, that is the distance from here to the ring, okay, is 1.575 meters. That is the distance behind. Now any ball that crosses that line is considered as an out ball. So somewhere around here it ends. Okay, there's a line which comes here. But the ball goes out of that ring area, it becomes a out ball. Now along with this, there's a board which comes, which the measurements I'll be giving in the next video when I'm explaining the game. Right. So this is the basic scoring area of the basketball court. Nothing more than this. It's the most simplest marking of a ground, but the most interesting thing, as the game is a very fast game, as the ground is small, and the width is also quite less, 15 meters. That's all it is, right? Here with 15 meters, that is the end line of it. This is the sideline, and this is the end line, right? Now you have, if suppose the ball goes out, you have a throw in. Okay, markings are there where the referee catches the ball and hands it over to the person who's supposed to be throwing the ball. That's if the ball goes in. The player can throw the ball to his players to start the game again, right? That is all for the ground marking of a basketball court. This is a video which you'll be seeing the best basketball scores done by Michael Jordan in history, the best of the best. So please see this video.
Michael get it pulled with a fresh shot clock. MJ. Oh, he did it! Michael shakes the finger. Jordan. Oh, a spectacular move by Michael Jordan.
They'll calm you down. They'll work their plays. Steal. He kept it in bounds. Here it is again. Oh, yes! Whose game is it? It's Michael Jordan's game.
Consistently game in and game out, but against the Bulls he does. Here's Jordan, he blows by Pearson, jammed it down. He blew by
Jordan out front, pressured by Dennis Johnson. Michael on the drive, in for the right. Hesitation move, through the hoop for the right. Scoop shot, good on the reverse.
Michael!
12-6 Boston.
Jordan with the drive and the reverse. Michael Jordan.
This is a great move by Michael Jordan. Great reverse underneath the basket. Great suspension. Great touch.
Have a chance to cut the lead down to 11, which is as few as it's been since the first quarter.
Now watch as Michael Jordan comes at the bottom of your screen here, how he leaves the defensive man. Dumars was thinking that he had rotation help. Woo! Wow. Watch the quickness that he pivots here. There it is right there.
Sellers has Jordan. Jordan with 2 seconds to go, puts it up and scores at the buzzer. Michael Jordan has won it for Chicago. Michael Jordan hit the basket at the buzzer as a disconsolate Lenny Wilkens leaves the floor, and for the second time today, the visiting team has won the deciding game in an opening round series, and the Chicago Bulls will move on to play the New York Knicks in the best of 7. Right now, let's go right over to JB with Michael Jordan's
Left corner jumper rimming. No. Rebound Cartwright. Off to Jordan. Michael underneath for the dunk. Whoa! Michael Jordan power jam in Barkley's face. The Bulls lead is 5.
Barkley looking for the offensive foul. Did you see his arm come out?
Jordan trying to shake off Starks. Oh, what a move by Jordan! It counts. And the foul.
Michael Jordan at his best. There's very few people on this planet that can do this.
He's just simply amazing.
Puts it on the floor, stripped by Jordan. Loose ball to Grant. Ahead for Michael. Into the front court. Behind his back comes left wing. Now down the lane. All the way for the two-hand slam. And the foul on Allen Ogg. That is vintage Jordan super stuff.
I'll tell you, I hope nobody blinked watching that one, because this is Michael Jordan at his best. There's very few people on this planet that can do this.
And he comes up very short on that one. Ahead to Scotty. Had to run out, catch it, now throws it back to Michael. Caught it with one hand from 15 off the board. Talk about an athlete. What a shot. A save and a shot by MJ.
Harper's alone. A 13-footer, and he misses. Rodman can't tip it in. Rebound O'Neal now. Stolen by Jordan from Hardaway. Picked him. Bluffs one at the line. They leave him open. Oh, the Bulls are up. Oh, baby. He left jock straps all over the hardwood down here.
Oh, but how he read that play to steal the pass, Brent.